In a bustling city, there lived a curious and brave little girl named Lois Lane. Every day, she would run through the park, her eyes wide with wonder at the world around her. She loved exploring, learning, and making new friends. One sunny afternoon, Lois found a strange, silver bracelet in the park. It was shiny and beautiful, and she couldn't resist picking it up. As soon as she touched it, she felt a strange tingling sensation. Suddenly, a whirlwind swept her up, and before she knew it, Lois was transported to a magical land. It was full of enchanting creatures, towering trees, and shimmering streams. Lois was amazed, but she felt a little scared too. A friendly talking bird named Peri saw Lois and flew over to her. "Welcome, Lois Lane," Peri said. "You've been chosen to help us." Lois was puzzled, but she was also excited to help. Peri led Lois to a grand castle, where she met the king and queen of the magical land. They explained that the magical bracelet was a powerful artifact. It had been stolen by the wicked sorcerer, and they needed Lois to retrieve it. Lois agreed to help, and Peri gave her a magical map to guide her way. She set off on her adventure, determined to return the bracelet and save the magical land. Along the way, she made new friends and learned valuable lessons about bravery, kindness, and teamwork. After a long journey, Lois finally reached the sorcerer's lair. She outwitted the sorcerer with her quick thinking and bravery. With a triumphant cheer, she grabbed the magical bracelet and returned it to the king and queen. Lois was hailed as a hero, and the magical land was saved. She said goodbye to her new friends and Peri, who flew her back to her own world. Lois returned home with a heart full of adventure and a memory she would never forget. From that day on, Lois Lane continued to explore, learn, and make new friends, always ready for her next adventure.